So today we'll try to see the difference between a flat beat and a roll. So when we want to play trararara, let's say we want to play trarararata. So how do we generate the rolls? Now if we want to just play beats without rolls, then they come out like this. Tat 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 tat. Now if you want to get a roll is basically like this. So the stick strikes the surface and it bounces and it strikes the surface. All this happens in a very small period of time. So what's really happening is that when you strike the stick, its natural tendency is to bounce, but you use the fingers at the back to force the stick to strike the surface again. So that's how you get the roll. So if I do not use these fingers, then the stick bounces because of the bouncy surface of the pad. But if I use these fingers to force the stick to stay down, then that's how rolls are generated. The same is with the left hand. So if the stick just bounces, then it just bounces. But in the left hand it's a little different because you're not using fingers to force it down. You're using the muscles over here at this point to force it down. So this would be the normal beat and this would be the rolls. So all this is So if you look at the fingers at the back in the right hand, so notice that they are pushing the stick up so that it stays near the pad, and that's how you get the rolls. So if you want to generate rolls continuously, then it is similar to how you would play ta 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 ta. So this is ta ta, this is ta 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 ta. And then if you want to play even faster, more continuously, ta 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 ta. So that is ta 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 ta. So in the same way, for the rolls, a single roll would be like this. And then if you start with the right hand, you also do the same action with the left hand, so it continues. Now if you play this alternately and keep increasing the tempo, then you get to the continuous roll, which is called the run-on. Now at this point you can still distinguish between the left stick and the right stick rolls. So when you come to a point where you cannot distinguish them, where they blend together, that is when you get the run-on, the full run-on, which is the continuous roll. So then that's how you get the sound which you hear for trararararararata. Once again.